A very useful function or aggregation on Google Looker Studio is count and count distinct. I will show you how it works. I am seeing a time series where every day I am seeing how many posts are being published by three brands, Nike, Puma, and Adidas. By the way, we have a connector that is called Instagram Comparators that lets you monitor any Instagram business account so you can see the total social activity. I will go back to the tutorial. So let's say I don't have a metric for the number of posts, or I want a metric for the number of pages or number of campaigns, but we don't have a metric for that. We need to count that number. So I will show you how it works. For the first metric, I am counting the total posts, and the way I do it is that I simply select a dimension like media ID, and I count the total number of unique IDs. This is how it is aggregated. Another way to calculate discount or discount distinct is with a formula. I will show you. I will use a function that is called count distinct media ID. I am counting as well the total number of media IDs in a given date range. And here's how you can use count and count distinct to analyze your marketing data.